Thanks for tuning in. It's been I was looking at my YouTube channel and it's been a few weeks. Usually I was trying to upload a video or do a review every week or so, but it's been almost a month. I guess I've been caught up with holiday stuff. Today we've got a Tandorio, and this was I have to admit, I bought this because I really wanted some orange. I wanted an orange watch, and the only watch I could find that was orange that had any interest was the Seiko SKX, but I did want a diver. So Tandorio had this on offer, and I thought I'd pull the trigger because I got it at a very, very good price with my discounts and my coupons. There's no actual model number. I guess that's typical of Tandorio, but that's okay. It's a 39 millimeter diver. Now they call it a diver, but as you'll see in the loom shot at the end of the video, the loom is, well, if you thought Pagani was bad, but at least it has some loom on the hands. So it's a very simple design. One could say that it's timeless. I mean, we've got double baton at 12 o'clock and single batons at all the other markers, but we've got a date window at the 3 o'clock, which is framed and quite nicely done. The finish quality is all brushed and it's done to a high standard. Even without discounts, it's hard to imagine getting something better. Screw down crown, which I forgot to screw down after setting it, because today is January the 29th, so I thought I'd put the 29th. It uses an NH35 movement. The case material is 316L stainless steel. The case length is the case length is 48 millimeters, so that's edge to edge, but the lug to lug from where the spring bars are is 46 millimeters, so it wears very, very comfortably. The leather strap, which is really, really high quality, I wore this for a week. As you can see, there's some wear marks there from where I strapped it to my wrist. Very comfortable. I forgot that I was wearing it a couple of times. It's 19 centimeters in length, so you should be able to fit up to a 7.5 inches long, which is the length of the wrist or the strap. I have a 7-inch wrist, and it wore nicely. You've got a clasp, the buckle and tine clasp. The water resistance is rated at 200 meters. Let's see if I can find it there. It's on the back. And again, take with a grain of salt. I wouldn't be diving with this anyway with a leather strap on it. You'd want to put some type of bracelet on it. As I mentioned before, screw down crown. The case back is screwed down as well. It weighs 74 grams. And the thickness is 12.2 millimeters. Now the crown is sterile, so there's no logo on there, but as you can see, I still have the sticker on there. I haven't tried to take it off, but I need to get a really sticky piece of tape to give it a good stick and pull. The store that I bought this from, I'll put a link in the description. The store that I bought this from is Time Watch Store on AliExpress. And with my coupons and discounts at the time of purchase, it was $66.19 Canadian. I bought it on the 14th of November in 2024, and it arrived on November 26th. So pretty good transit time. Fortunately, long before the Canada Post went on strike. So my intention with a lot of my watches that I'm going to keep is my goal is to have 52 watches in my collection, one for each week of the year. And today I'm wearing my Aesop Tourbillon, which I will be reviewing next. And I've been wearing this week and really, really enjoying it. It's a hand winder too. Anyway, nice quick review. Here comes the loom, time-lapse loom shot. Oh, I forgot. There's other colors available, which I will I'll show here. We've got a textured blue, which is really, really nice, and then flat yellow, very attractive. Flat cream, and then a flat black, which looks like it might have a blue tinge, and then a textured pink, which may be a hit with the ladies. And depending this, you'll notice the texture of this dial is flat. Some of the colors on offer have a textured dial, which is actually quite nice. So if it's something that you want to add to your collection, definitely worth it. For if you want something simple, like a simple daily that's got it's easy to read and doesn't really call attention to itself, but you look at it and you go, that's a nice watch. I think it's worth it. Thanks again for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. So I charged up the hands with my LED flashlight for roughly 20 to 30 seconds, and you'll notice they pretty much faded right away.